Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to Leeds. I'm going to do another development tour. So I'm going to do like Lisbon Square, Latitude Blue, 44 Marine Street. So stick around and I'm going to dive in right about now. The taxi was late and I nearly missed my train. The day's not going well. House looks absolutely fantastic. I love it so much. It's got a green tint to it as well. It's got a green tint to it and that's a bit unusual, which I thought it were a blue building because 44 Marine Street's got a green tint to it as well. But yeah, it looks really nice. Only half of it is complete, the other half is still ongoing, finishing off the cladding I suppose. But it's looking super and it's quite tall as well. So yeah.
Check it out.
So I'm now walking to Latitude Blue and I'm going to walk on the viaduct and show you some stuff on it. So yeah. So today is not the one at all because I've left myself a stick at home, a tripod, so I can't really take any good pictures. Yeah, it's going really to be honest. Yeah. I'm gonna vlog a lot today because I just want to rant to people, basically. I wish, do you know what? I wish you could just be yourself and people didn't look at you and judge you. Like, mind your own do you know what I mean? There's also Lisbon Square Phase 1. The car's gone up a lot on that as well. It's gone up to 24. So we'll go see that because it looks really tall and it's dominant on the skyline as seen on pictures. So I'm excited to see that. And then we'll go to 44 Marine Street. I don't think they've really got on with the last bit of it yet. You know, the top of it where they're finishing off the glass. I don't think they've like properly finished it just yet. But we'll go there, we'll see what's new there. Yeah, so look at that. People like not used to YouTube. It's the 21st century, do you know what I mean? Like people have been doing it for years and people stare at you and it's like, why? I'm not in a people mood today, can you tell? So as you can see, Latitude Blue is now starting to dominate the skyline. I'm not really keen on that cladding. I thought it would look nicer than that. On the renders it looked really nice, but I'm not really sure about that. It looks a bit dull and it looks like it'll blend too much with Monk Bridge. But we'll see how it goes and we'll see what it looks like when it's progressed a bit more. But yeah. So I'm now walking to Lisbon Square Phase 1 and Triangle Yard. I'm not keen on Triangle Yard, but we'll go there anyway. So we'll go to Lisbon Square Phase 1. So yeah. So this is Lisbon Square Phase 1. The car has topped out at number 24. It's looking very impactful on the skyline. So as you can see, Lisbon Square has made a massive improvement. I hadn't even noticed the car go up. I'm having to talk off the top of my voice because the cars are just so loud. But yeah. Quite a good view from here actually. I think this building's getting recladded. Quite a nice view.